So this game looks interesting. It's called Locks of Luck. I've never played this game. $10. Come on. Never played this game. Let's see if we can get something good. Come on. $5. Okay. So it's kind of like a cash machine. 0. Okay. Respin. Come on. Okay. Bro, come on. Not enough with the sweats. Respin again. Come on. Enough with the sweats. Enough with... Oh, 500! Oh my God, guys! Holy cow! Oh my God! I gotta stop here. Cash and dash. I'm done.